Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
Start by warming the emblem for about 60 seconds with a heat gun or high heat hair dryer to loosen the adhesive. Keep the gun moving to avoid paint damage. Slide dental floss or fishing line behind the emblem and saw back and forth, or use a 1/8-inch plastic pry tool and gentle leverage to lift the ring. Remove the backing and scrape off residual adhesive with a plastic scraper. Then wipe the area clean with 90% isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth before proceeding. Unpack the replacement emblem and confirm it matches the OEM diameter and pin or snap configuration. Mismatched emblems can damage the retention clips. Peel the protective liner and apply 3M VHB double-sided tape or the supplied manufacturer adhesive, covering the backing evenly and leaving no gaps. Dry fit the emblem to check alignment using the hood edges and car center line as references. Mark a light pencil dot if needed, and keep adhesive surfaces clean and free of oils prior to final placement. Place the prepared emblem onto the hood, aligning it with the hood center line and any factory markings. Once aligned, press down firmly and evenly for 30 seconds to seat the tape or adhesive. If the emblem uses plastic pins, push until you feel full engagement and check the underside for flush seating. Let the assembly cure undisturbed for 24 hours before washing or driving at sustained highway speeds. After curing, inspect edges for gaps and remove any adhesive squeeze out with isopropyl alcohol and a microfiber towel.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.